What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your window seal on the inside of your door on a 2014 Toyota Tacoma. I guess when I got my tent done, the tent guy cut the strips, so every time when I rolled down my window, the seal was going down into the window, preventing me from rolling down my window. So I ended up going to buy the part from a Toyota parts place, and I'll place a description of the link, or I'll put a link in the description here below. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to take off the door panel, and then I'm gonna show you how to put in the seal itself. Okay, so this is my 2014 Tacoma, so let's go ahead and get this going. I already kind of took the door panel off in a sense, but I'll go ahead and just give you the instructions on what to do. You're gonna have your triangular piece that sits right here. You're going to take your plastic trim tool remover, and you're gonna pull that off. When you do, these little white tabs right here, they get stuck in here. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get a pair of needle nose pliers and pull those out, and then you're gonna have to replace them back onto this bracket. Another thing that you're gonna have to pull off is a tab that's gonna be right here. I've already done that. And there are gonna be two screws. There's gonna be one right here, and it's a Phillips head, and then up under the door panel or the door handle right here, you just pull this tab back, and then there it is right there. Another thing that you're gonna do is you're going to pull off the window clicker control module, and basically it's pretty simple. You just, you take your trim tool remover again, and you're just going to pop it off, and then you'll pull it out, and then the harness is connected to it. You'll just undo that. If you're going to want to go ahead and pull the door panel off the truck itself, so you're going to start off from here, and you're just going to kind of pull all the way around. Like I said before, trim tool remover tools are really good and they come in handy for this kind of thing, but you can actually pull this off. It's not as bad. So once you go ahead and get that pulled off, you're just going to grab by the handle, and you're going to pick up on it, and you're going to just pull it off like so. Okay, and now you got it off, and now you can see the inside of the door panel. Okay, so once you get the door panel off, you're going to turn it over on its back side, and if you look directly up under there, you're going to see these little tabs. Let's see right here, focus. So these tabs. So you're going to go ahead and get yourself a flathead screwdriver, some needle nose pliers, and you're going to want to pull these tabs back. And then once you do that, this seal right here, the inside seal, as you can see, I kind of, it just tore right here. You should be able to go ahead and pull it off. Okay, now that we got the new seal in place, what you're going to do is you're going to click. It's going to click in a sense, and then all you got to do is just push up on all these tabs, make sure it's locked into place. Okay, get a little bit. And there should be one more here on the end, and you're going to fold this one on the inside. Everything else is going to go from left to right except this one. Okay, so now we got the door panel hung back up on the wall, on the door itself. Now we should just be able to take our hand, and you always want to just double check, just to make sure that your clips are lined up properly. Just click it in. Just go all the way around. Okay. All right. Then you're going to want to put your piece back on. Okay, so like I said before at the beginning of this video, you're going to want to put those white retention clips back onto this triangle piece that sits where your mirror is. So once you got those, all you got to do is come over here, and then let's see here. Beginning of the view, those white clips that came off when you took this piece off at the very beginning. You're going to have to put them back on this this trim. So once you put them back on, all you gotta do is just come over here and click it in. Okay, like so, and everything's good to go. And then once you do that, you're gonna take the screws, and you're gonna put them back into the door panel, like so. See, and then you'll screw everything back in. So give me just a second. Okay, so now that you got the screws back in, you're going to want to plug back in your window click module. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and you're going to stick it in. Let's see. Okay. And then once you stick it in, you're gonna pop it back in. That's it. So then once you do that, now you can go back in and test your window. So then once you do that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna roll down your window, and as you can see, and get caught.